How do you rise with confidence when you feel like giving up? See, we all find ourselves at that point where we don't want to go on because part of us feels like there's no point. But if you can give yourself a different outlook in that situation and come to an understanding that, hey, you know what? I still believe in myself. I still can do this. I can still push forward. With a little bit of effort, something can truly change. If you give yourself a chance, an option, and make a proactive effort to think a little bit differently about the situation you're finding yourself in right now, I know you can find a different way out. And that's how you get a solution when you're feeling underconfident and you feel like giving up. Share this with someone who truly needs it.